y'all know I talk about how small my head is. Some of y'all be saying that my head is not that small, which is not. It's not that small, but sometimes the wigs can be too big for my head. So the good thing about this wig is that it does come with a drawstring elastic band in the back. So regardless of the size of your head, this wig will fit snug on your head without even having to glue it down. Like, regardless of the size of your head.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me.
Today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair Company. They sent me over a really cute wig, Glueless unit. Let's get into the details of this wig, y'all. It's a 7x5 pre-everything wig, y'all. It came with these beautiful curls. I want this wig installed to be one of the easiest ones that I've ever done. I talk about convenience on my channel all the time. And y'all, it's 2025. You need at least 1 to 2 throw on and go wigs, okay? And I'm definitely thinking that this is going to be one of those. Again, guys, the parting space on this wig is 7 inches by 5 inches. Let me go ahead and flip this wig in the inside. This wig does come with combs on both sides of the wig, as well as an elastic band in the back. But the great thing about this wig is that it comes with a drawstring. So, no more, y'all know I talk about how small my head is. Some of y'all be saying that my head is not that small, which is not. It's not that small, but sometimes the wigs can be too big for my head. So the good thing about this wig is that it does come with a drawstring elastic band in the back. So regardless of the size of your head, this wig will fit snug on your head without even having to glue it down. Like, regardless of the size of your head. So let's go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box, y'all. I definitely think this is going to be, like I said, one of the easiest wigs that I have installed in a very long time. So guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. This is what the lace is giving. It is very much pre-plucked. I love the pre-plucked, pre-bleached hairline. I love the color on this hair. Let me get up close so you guys can see the color a little bit better. I absolutely love the color. Y'all know I talk about it all the time. I'm not really in my colored hair era, but I do love a little balayage blonde, or like the colors that are more neutral. Those are the colors that I'm going for this year, and I'm loving this color. I think it looks really good on my brown skin. So yes, one thing I will say is that the wig is a little loose, but good thing we do have this drawstring elastic band in the back. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and pull that elastic band as tight as I want it to be and push that button up just to secure it. And y'all look Look how secure that is. Really a game changer. I love that these wig companies are adding the drawstring elastic bands on the back of the wigs. I think that it is definitely a game changer, especially because I have so many girlies that follow me or watch my videos and they're like, oh, I'm a beginner with wigs. I don't know much about wigs. I don't want to have to glue my wig down. So that is like the perfect feature to be added to the wigs. So y'all, like I said, I will not have to do much to this wig. Let me just stand up a little bit so you guys can see. This is the length of it. This wig is 24 inches and y'all, I'm 5'4", so this wig is not that long, but I think it's like that perfect length. Definitely beginner friendly, definitely one of those throw on and go wigs. Y'all seen how the wig was a little bit big for my head and all I had to do was pull the elastic band and it tightened that wig up on my head. So these are definitely the beginner friendly wigs, and even if you're not a beginner, these wigs are very convenient for my girlies on the go. Let's go ahead and start getting the top of that hair together. First thing first, I'm taking my hair wax, my wax stick, and I'm just going to press the top of that hair down with that, just to make sure that there are no flyaways and make sure that the top of that hair is not big. Y'all know we do not like no big wigs over here, y'all. We like them nice and flat, nice and flat. God, please hold my hand. Next, I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb. It is already pretty hot, and I'm just going to press down the top of that hair with this. And one thing about me, y'all, I want the top of my hair to be super flat. So I'm going in with my iron. Look, please don't judge me, y'all, but the top of that wig needs to be nice and flat. Look, please do not judge me, y'all. Y'all see how that just transformed the top of that wig. Y'all see how flat it just got just from me doing that. So do not judge me, please, guys. One thing I will say is if you're going to try this at home, be careful. So there's that. Now that the top of that wig is nice and flat, it's time to go on to the hair. Like I said, I love the pre-curled hair, but the front of these curls, these two curls right here in the front needs a little bit of shaping. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some curls to the front of this hair with my flat iron. So y'all see how recurling the two front pieces literally just transformed the look of this wig. I love me some bombshell curls, some curls curled away from the face. I think it is so cute, and I think they did a really good job of curling the hair. But of course, when shipping the hair to me, it probably got crunched up or something on the way, so we just had to recurl those and get them together. Now, last but definitely not least, I don't like the way the front of this hairline is looking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not spraying down the lace, but I am gonna take my spray and I'm gonna spray it on my edge brush, and I'm just gonna brush those hairs into place the way I want them to be, just for a more sleek look around the hairline. And you can see a big difference in how that hairline is looking. I know I said last but not least with the spray, but I do want this lace right here on the sides to blend in with my skin a little bit better. So I'm going to take a brush that I used for my foundation today, and I'm just going to dab that around the hairline a little bit, just for a more seamless look. And y'all, that is literally it. Like, literally it. When I say a 10-minute install, this wig took 10 minutes to install, and it's so pretty. The texture of the hair feels amazing. The color of this wig is also super pretty. I am impressed. I feel like Nadula Hair Company is definitely upping the quality on their wigs. And y'all, we love that. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for collaborating with me for this video. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, all the details to this wig as well as Nadula Hair Company's wig website will be down below in my description box as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Nadula.